Hello everyone, today we're doing TryHackMe Grep room. We'll do a Rustscan real quick to get the ports. So we got 2280, 443, and 51337. So we'll do a Nmap real quick on those. Not that it really matters, but we'll open up the web page for 443. We'll also open up one for 51337. And both of these you'll view certificates. You get grep THM right here. And then leak checker grep THM right here. So let's put those in our host file. So we got both of those in there. So we'll this one we'll change it. So you get the email checker. So the questions are: what is the API key that allows you to register as on the website? What is the first flag? What is the email of the admin user? What is the host name of the web application that allows the user to check an email for a possible leak? That would be this one. What is the password? So if we go to get rid of those. Go here. Make sure it's HTTPS and then accept risks. And you get welcome, search me. So we'll search, since it's saying to search me, let's search it. We'll do in text, quotes, just do in text and then quotes around that. And then you'll click this super secure developer search and then you go to API, register PHP, fix remove key, copy that. Was the API key for the website? Bam. And then we'll open up Burp Suite. and then you'll change the API key and forward. Registration successful. Please log in. Okay. Forward. So you get the first flag. What is the email of the admin user? So if you go back to the GitHub, and you click on upload PHP, it tells you there's a upload path called uploads, and then it checks the magic byte file temp path, valid magic byte, and then it only allows JPEG, PNG, and BMP. So we need to make a PHP file to upload. So we just go to actually, I already have a PHP pentest monkey script, so I'm just gonna rename it to rev.jpeg.php, and then nano that. Make sure there's a space between the PHP shebang or whatever that is, and then the top, because we have to put magic bits. And if you have this at the top, the magic bits are going to overwrite the PHP shebang, and it won't run the file. But PHP doesn't care if there's junk in front of that; it'll just parse it until it reads this. So we'll do Hexeditor. And then you're going to want to put the magic bits. And they gave you, they tell them right here what the magic bits are for JPEG. So it's FFD8, FFE0. That's not what it's not what I put. I don't know why it did that. It's supposed to be FFD8, FFE0. There we go. Save. Oops. So now if you cat it, you'll see the magic bits at the top and then the PHP file here. So what you'll do is you'll start a netcat listener for whatever you have your port set at, and then you'll go here to change this to upload.php forward, choose file, rev, select, upload, file uploaded successful. So now if you just go to uploads and click your file, forward, you got your shell. So start a Python server. And over here, you'll do change directory, temp, and then we get HTTP, my IP address, and we'll chmod it right after that. And then we'll execute it after that. So we could stop our server up here. This is going to do its little thing. First one was the email admin user. So there's a linPs that's actually a fat sh one. So if you just go here and ls in here, there's a couple different ones you have. There's the small, which is only 77 kilobytes, which is pretty small. And then there's the normal one that's 957, and then there's this massive 16 megabyte one. I don't know what the hell that one does. I'm sure it evaluates your whole system. But what we're looking for is right here. var www backup user SQL. So we'll copy that, and then we'll just cat that. And you get the admin user or email. So it says, what is the email of the admin user? So if you go to the email checker and you post that in there, password admin TryHackMe. So admin password. So that's all the answers. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or trouble or whatever, hit me up. Peace.